Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. And now guys, we're gonna make some easy homemade pancake recipe. Alright, let's get into this video. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Now I'm going to start off with 1 egg. And you know your girl have to take out the whites, alright? And then I'm going to come back. I took the whites out and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to whip this like for about a minute and then I'm going to add my sugar gradually, alright? Alright, when you have it fluffy like that, I'm just going to add my sugar gradually. Maybe in 2 portions. Alright, when you get it fluffy like that, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And at the same time, I'm going to put about ½ teaspoon vanilla. I'm going to whisk this a little bit more. Alright. We don't need this anymore, so we can put this away. I have about 3/4 cup of milk. Alright, and I'm using this coconut milk. You can use 2% milk, okay? It's up to you. And I'm going to use 1 cup of flour, ½ teaspoon salt. I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1, 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sieve this. I want to do it in 2 portions, okay guys? I don't want to do it all at once, but you can do it all at once. Then I'm going to add half of my milk. And I'm just going to mix this. Make sure you're about all the salt. And then I'm going to pour the rest of my milk. Now let's fry up some pancake. I have my frying pan and I have some olive oil and I'm just gonna brush the pan. You can use butter. And this is it, so it thick up a little bit while you put it down, right? Now I'm gonna use my ice cream scoop and I'm gonna scoop it up. You can make them big or you can make them small, all right? If you want them big, you can put a little bit more. Put a little bit more. Once it starts to brown up on the edge or it starts to have bubbles in the middle, then you can flip it over. Once it starts to have the bubbles in it, can you see that? Then you want to go ahead and flip it over. Oopsie. Perfect. It smells so good. Smell of vanilla. All right my peeps, once it's done, look at that. You can just scoop it out in here just like that. You see how easy? All right, we're gonna make one more for you guys. So if you find out that it's browning up too quick, turn down the stove. My stove is at 5. I'm putting a little bit more than the scoop. All right, scoop and a half. Guys, I just want to show you how super light this is. You see it? Super light, super soft. Okay. Super light and super soft. All right, once it's done, you just put it here. Look at that goodness. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on it, not too much. Hey, stay there. Over here, I put a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna sprinkle it all over it. And then you want to go in with a little bit of your pancake syrup, and you're gonna pour it all over that. Let it drip a little bit down at the side. There you go. And that's the goodness. That's easy, fluffy, homemade pancake recipe for you guys. Yay. And that's it. You can get about, as I said, 4 to 6 servings depending on the size, or depends on the size you're making. All right. And over here, I'm gonna serve up some with sausage and eggs for my daughter. I'm gonna make a plate for that for her, and then I'm gonna show you. This is for my daughter. Some pancakes, some homemade pancakes with sausage and eggs, right, Sonny? And she can't wait to dive in it. All right. All right, my peeps, that's it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Just before I go, I just want to break one and show you how soft it is. Can you see that? Super light. Oh my goodness. Super fluffy. All right.